I'm Christy with the Asher Upstairs and Herron Media. I chose Cheyenne because it's Pleasantville. I moved here when I was 17 from Monterey County, California, and I chose to live here because it had everything that I was looking for in a community. You walk into a store and people greet you. You go into a county anything and people are just wanting you there. We have lots of events and lots of opportunities for youth as well as adults. We have lots of concerts here at the Asher Upstairs and open to the public events. We have great shopping opportunities too, from Desperado Depot to we even have Kohl's. Brown Shoes is a great place to get all of your footwear. And we have a great Sam's Club as well. So come on down to Cheyenne. It's really a great community to raise your children. I really do call it Pleasantville because you're not going to find another capital city that's as friendly as we are.